In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut circle in half in Affinity Designer. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and create, or open a document where you want to work. Any canvas size is fine, we just need a clean space to draw. On the left toolbar, choose the Shape tools. From the flyout, pick the Ellipse tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. If you want a perfect circle rather than an oval, hold the Shift key as you drag. You can also look at the width and height fields in the context toolbar to make sure the values match, which confirms it's a true circle. Set a fill color and turn on a visible stroke if that helps you see the edges clearly. Now add a rectangle. Switch to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that covers exactly half of the circle. Snapping is your friend here. Enable snapping so the rectangle locks to the circle's edges and the canvas center. If you need an exact half, position the rectangle so its edge passes through the center of the circle, covering either the left or right side or the top or bottom, depending on the half you want to keep. You can also rotate the rectangle if you need a diagonal cut, just make sure it still crosses the circle's center line. Next, select both shapes. You can shift-click the circle and the rectangle on the canvas, or use the Layers panel to select them. For the subtract operation to work as intended, the rectangle should be above the circle in the layer order, because subtract removes the front object's area from the one behind. If it isn't, drag the rectangle layer above the circle. With both shapes selected, go to the top toolbar and click subtract. Affinity Designer will remove the area of the circle that was overlapped by the rectangle, leaving you with a clean, precise half circle. If you don't get the half you expected, undo, move the rectangle to the other side, or flip which object is on top and try subtract again. From here, you can change the fill and stroke, scale the half circle while holding shift to keep proportions, or duplicate it to create mirrored designs. Remember, snapping and alignment tools make positioning effortless, and you can always undo to adjust. That's all you need to neatly cut a circle in half.